What up, guys? Been talking with my people over at Eternal Quartz. They make all kinds of cool quartz pieces and just dope art. Working up a little trade. About to work on some graphics for a mood map for those guys.
Let's get it.
They ended up digging the design, so we made some stickers and some other swag items out of it as well. What's up? You guys, Eternal Quartz just popped this box. Checking out what he hooked up. Really dope quartz bangers. Ooh, some terp pearls. Definitely follow Eternal Quartz if you don't already. Check out some of their gear, some of their products that they got. Make really awesome stuff. Again, if you guys ever need design, packaging, printing, anything, hit me up. Love to help you out. Thanks again for watching the video. Look for another one next week. As always, please like, subscribe, follow, tell your friends. Check out royalstame.com for some extras.